In today's video, I'm going to teach you how I use Google Calendar for productivity. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. On the left side, find the section labeled Other Calendars and click the plus icon next to it. Choose Create New Calendar. I like to make separate calendars for different parts of my life, such as work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so your week looks visually organized at a glance. Bright, clearly different colors make patterns obvious, like whether you're overbooking meetings or skipping workouts. Next, fine-tune your default event settings. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings. Set a default event duration, usually 30 or 60 minutes, so you don't have to adjust it every time. Add two default reminders, one 10 minutes before and another an hour before. Choose whether you want email or pop-up notifications. These small defaults prevent missed tasks and reduce setup friction during your day. Now, time block your day instead of relying on a long to-do list. Put dedicated blocks on your calendar like 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 o'clock to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like real appointments. If something runs long, drag to extend it and reschedule the next block. Adding short buffer times between blocks helps protect your schedule. Make your routine run on autopilot with recurring events. Open any event and set it to repeat. Good examples include weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Choose a repeat frequency and, if helpful, set an end date. This reduces decision fatigue and keeps your habits consistent. Protect your focus by using built-in controls. Add focus time to automatically block meetings during your deep work windows. Mark out of office when you're unavailable, so meeting invites are declined for you. If you use Google Tasks, enable the task integration to keep actionable items alongside your schedule. This creates a clear boundary between doing and meeting. Sync everything across devices. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, turn on notifications, and make sure it syncs with Gmail. Connect your calendar to tools like Zoom or Google Meet so invites add themselves automatically. That way, links and times appear without manual copying. Finally, use event descriptions wisely. Add a brief agenda, notes, links to Zoom or Google Docs, and a simple checklist. Keeping context in the event prevents scrambling for details and keeps your day smooth and focused.